Hey cuties, hi, hello, I'm Kenyatta. In today's video, we'll be opening up our Kylie skin. Every time I say Kylie skin, I'll be wanting to say Kylie Cosmetics. We'll be opening up our Kylie skin today. I can't wait to open it up with you guys and see what's all in here and how it's packaged. Which I love. Miss Kylie, yay! The vitamin C serum, which is gonna be really good. Okay, open it up. So y'all can see what it's gonna look like. See? Super cute. Super, super cute. And it says Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. And it says vitamin C serum. It's just the box. It's what it came in. All of it came in pink bubble wrap. Floor. And here is my big face wash. I wanted to make sure I had a big face wash.